Hello, I'm Lila Gross, and it's a beautiful Thursday outside, and I wanted to tell you about the stories I'm following today. The Hillsborough County Fair kicks off tonight, and it's Dollar Day. Admission's only $1, and rides are also only $1. The fair lasts through this weekend and then picks up again next weekend, so go while you can. Let me know what rides you're excited to check out. A baby beached whale washed ashore in a southwest Florida island. Beachgoers found the calf on Gasparilla Island, and officials believe the baby sperm whale was separated from its mother. Rescue teams worked for hours to try to save the calf. Unfortunately, the whale was in pretty bad shape and eventually had to be put down. Check out this letter George H.W. Bush wrote to Bill Clinton 13 years ago. Recent presidential debates have brought up the important issues of candidates accepting the results of every election. George H.W. Bush wrote this letter to Bill Clinton when he took over, and the transfer of power seems very supportive and positive. It says, "Your success is now our country's success. I'm rooting for you." It's a very moving letter, and you can read the whole thing if you're on Facebook by clicking the link above, and if you're on our website, it should be right below. Let me know what you think, share this post, and stay social.